I'm going to teach you how to do it so you can create your own creepy character, okay?
Hey guys, it's Cindy, the LD educator here, and as you know, I am a special education teacher whose goal it is to share hope and to dispel myths about learning disabilities. Well, today is October the 1st, and if you don't know, that means it is National Dyslexia Awareness Month, and of course, we're going to be raising awareness all month long. However, we're also going to be raising money. That's right. We're doing a huge fundraiser in the month of October as a part of our campaign of raising awareness about those with learning disabilities. You know that I started my own school and I work with several young people who have dyslexia and other varying learning disabilities. And I am so happy to announce that for our fundraiser this year, we are going to be doing a haunted schoolhouse. That's right, a haunted schoolhouse. And it is called Nightmare on Main Street. It is a play on words because we are located off of Main Street in College Park, Georgia. I am super excited. I decided that I was going to vlog our journey of the making of Nightmare on Main Street. So I hope that you follow along with me as my students and I, as well as my teacher, who is the real brainchild of this project. It was totally her idea. Matter of fact, when she told me, I was like, because I immediately thought of how much work was going to be involved, because when we do stuff, it's not just us. We really lead our students in doing it, and sometimes when you're working with learners of varying disabilities, that can be very difficult. But as I actually started listening to her ideas and after we started planning things out, I thought, how awesome is this going to be? Because our students get to put on display all of their gifts and talents. And by the way, they are involved in every aspect of this, okay? From doing their own makeup, from planning and strategizing about how the different rooms are gonna look, like even marketing. Like some of the pictures that you're gonna eventually see have been taken by students. Our promo video was done, or the actor in it was done by a student. So like they have their hands all over this. And so in this video, you're going to see the beginning of the making of Nightmare on Main Street, in which we went to Marietta, Georgia, and we stopped in at Eddie's Trick Shop. Now, if you follow me, then you saw my last video and you got to meet Chris, who did a mini magic show for us, which was really cool. So make sure you check Chris out, either here or there, or one of those places. All right, guys. Once again, I want to just shout out Miss P. She is the brainchild of this, and she's so awesome. All right, enjoy. Girl, you ought to be ashamed. You scared the living snot out of me. All right. Are you guys getting any inspiration for the haunted house we're gonna create, or the haunted school?
Cindy.
Like her. What's her name?
I love to sing. She's my favorite. I'm going to teach you how to do it so you can create your own creepy character, okay?
Yes. I had a blood spray.
Yeah,
can we get the fake
blood spray? Watch out. I'm going to teach you how to make fake blood. So there's going to be some stage blood that's going to come in your actual makeup kit. It's actually going to look more like, you see the dark blood right there?
Oh.
It's going to look more like that.
I thought it was going to
But it's gonna, when you put it on, it's going to look like blood?
Yeah. It's stage blood. It's for that effect. But I'm going to teach you how to make your own blood. Kind of like how you make your own slime.
Oh.
It's kind of the same thing, except for you can eat the blood.
Okay, so
No, thank you.
ordering it today?
Yes. Everyone's going to have their own kit. So your kit is going to come in a box, just like this, okay?
And this one's actually open.
It's open? Okay. So you're going to get brushes, you're going to get pencils, you're going to get, this is a powder applicator to do all sorts of things with. Brush, you're going to get spirit gum. I'm going to tell you what that is later. You cannot chew spirit gum. You're going to get some latex. You're gonna get some wax, all kinds of cool fun things that's gonna help you become creepy. Okay, and I'm gonna teach you how to use all of it.
Okay.
So when you turn 16, all these haunted houses that are around Atlanta at Six Flags Fright Fest, you can apply to work during Halloween and you can scare people and become a scare actor. Cool, right?
Yep. And
Cool.
you're building your resume right
Yes.
now.
And who knows, you might be a makeup artist on a movie set one day. It's like Miss P taught you. Cool.
There you go.
And this is the.
This is the TK7 and this is TK5.
Got it. All right.
So these ones can go out today.
I don't want it.
Cool.
We had this one open because I had to show someone the inside of it.
That's
I mean, nothing's been tampered with or anything.
Right,
like that.
right.
So let me get your
Space. Personal space. Thank you.
Let me get the address.
Yes, I want to look at 3716 Main Street. It's okay if they deliver it to us, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is neon eyeliner.
Mission accomplished. Our students were absolutely inspired by all of the creepy, awesome costumes at Eddie's Trick Shop. I am so excited to see what they come up with and how creepy they can eventually make themselves up to be. Big shout out to Miss P. She did an absolutely amazing job with introducing us to the theater makeup, and so we can't wait until she shows us how to correctly apply it. Also, did you catch that real life connection? We are showing our students how to leverage what they will be doing over the course of the next few weeks for other things, including becoming employed with Six Flags Over Georgia when they turn 16 if they want. I'm super excited about Halloween, our haunted house, and the making of Nightmare on Main. So if you are in College Park, make sure you mark your calendars. October the 25th, 26th, and the 31st. There will be a Nightmare on Main Street. Make sure you check back for our next video where Miss P will be making up a student model for our marketing material.